Hi guys, welcome back to Namthip Cusine. Today I'm going to show you how to make Thai Massaman chicken at home. This menu is the most delicious and the most popular. Thai Massaman chicken ingredients are: let's start it. Firstly, simmer the coconut milk over medium heat until the oil is separate. Add curry paste. Then fry all together until they get an aroma. Add more the coconut milk in case the sauce is too dry. I'm gonna add the coconut milk about 3 times before I add the chicken. Add the chicken. Add coconut cream. Add potato. Onion. Add peanut. Seasoning by fish sauce. Tamarind juice. If you don't have the tamarind juice, use the lamb juice. Add palm sugar. Mix all together and boil it. Left it for 20 minutes. 20 minutes done. It check. All done. My Massaman chicken cooked done. Thai Massaman chicken ready to serve. If you like this video, please share, like, subscribe. Thai Massaman chicken ready to serve. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next menu. Good luck.